Welcome in this video. My name is Kamlesh. You are watching Your Successpedia. Make sure you subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon so you don't miss the future videos notification. This is the fourth video of 30-day challenge where I supposed to make daily one video for the next 30 day in one take. Let's get started this video with this quote. Whether you think you can or whether you think you can't, you are right. I hope you got my point and you understand the topic. The topic is self-belief, a self-confident. Why self-belief is so important in our success and why is self-belief is so important in our failure as well. So I'm going to talk about all those things. I'm going to share my perspective, my point of view. Maybe I wrong. So don't take it. It's like I'm not from Harvard University. I'm not a scientist and I'm not a psychologist who research all those things. I just share my point of view. I just share my perspective. So maybe I'm wrong, but I'm very much sure you will watch my each and every video. You will get some learning from my side. You will get some value from my side. I'm very much sure. So let's get start this video. So what is self-belief? To understand self-belief, first we understand what is self-belief. A self-belief is something we know our ability, we know our capacity, we know our strength, we know that yes, I can do if I put my mind. Mark my word, if I put my mind on those things, I will achieve it. That is called self-belief. And this, because of self-belief, your confidence is also increased. The more self-belief you have, the more confident you are. Right? Let me tell you this one thing. Surplus amount of confidence is not beneficial. If you have excess of anything is bad. So if you always self-confident, if you always your self-belief is always on the peak, your confidence is always on the peak, I'm telling you, you have to check whether it's your confidence is shifted to overconfident or not. You have to check this. I'm telling you guys, around me, more than 70% people, I found that these people are overconfident, are over self-believed. Maybe they are thinking good in their life, maybe they are talking about good things, but they are over-believed, they are overconfident, and maybe they are thinking about like negative things. Their self-belief is overconfident over there also. Let me explain you how. You believe that I can do whatever I want to do. Yes, definitely you can do what you think you can do. But you have to put your mind on those things. I will give you my example so you can relate easily. I want to do something great in my life. This is my self-belief and I believe that yes, I can do. I will do this. I will do this. Because I have a confidence, because I have a belief, I can do I can do. But it's possible only when I put my mind on that. When I show my dedication, when I work daily, when I improve daily. Right? And this, the work will help you to improve your confidence as well. So, let's understand the second thing is how we have to improve belief, our self-belief, how we improve our self-belief and self-confidence. So, as I told you till now, this is what is self-belief and how to check whether you are confident or whether you are overconfident. And now I will tell you how to improve, how to boost your self-confidence. And for boosting your self-confidence is very easy. You have to put your mind on work. I believe that I will speak English very well in upcoming few months. Maybe it take 1 year, maybe it take 15 months, but I will definitely speak in a very effective way, in a very positive way, in a very attractive way so that people listen to me. But let me tell you guys, it's my self belief that yes, I will achieve this. I am going to achieve this in future. But this is not possible if I don't put my mind on this, if I not take action on this, if I not work on this, if I not implement whatever I'm learning in this. So here few people, here more than 70 people are lacking. They just believe, yeah, I will do something great in my life, and you will see their actions, you will see their work, and you will find like these people are just so-called confident, but they are not working at all. And there are other side, there are people who think it's all about destiny, we can't do everything is while God doing, you have to just believe on your destiny and you have to sit at your home, whatever we have because of our destiny. My dear friend, you have to change your destiny, you have to work, your destiny will change. And these people are so very confident about destiny, about their negative situation, about their reality. They believe that to getting rich is not possible. They believe at the age of 25, at the age of 30, if I try to speak English, I will not learn. I will not going to learn. So this is overconfident in this negative thought. And there is other people, they are overconfident in their, if I am 50, I will learn English in just 2 months. They are overconfident. My age is 25, I will learn English within 2 months. They are overconfident. You will learn, no doubt you will learn, but you will put your value, your time, your mind on that, then only you will work, you will learn those things. Right? So, let me give you the quick points which help you to boost your confidence. So, number one is start doing exercises. Maybe you love yoga, go and do yoga, meditation, exercises, join to the gym, go to the park, do whatever you want to do for break out your sweat, right? So go and do the exercises which help you to, when you do exercise, there is a good enzyme, I forgot the name, there is a good enzyme release and which help you to give the power that you believe in yourself. At that time you feel so pumped, you feel so healthy, you feel so energetic, and that is the best time to convey something from yourself, right? So go and do health exercises. And the next thing is start achieving goals. Set a small target and try to achieve all those targets. I'm talking about small target, short-term goals, and achieve that goals. Then only you will become, once you smell the success, you will love to taste the success. Once you taste the success, you will love to maintain those success. Want to maintain the success, you will love to share those success. I don't know how I speak this, but this is a thought. So this is all about, go and smell the success, go and smell your achievements. I don't know how I use smell. So set your goal and achieve that, and this will help you to believe your self-confidence and self-esteem, right? And the next thing what you can do for the self-belief, or what I can do for the self-belief, is, as a challenges is the same in the setting the goal, and and you will work more on your particular thing. If you really believe on yourself, if you really think like you are confident, you are awesome, your belief is good, then you have to honestly put the work on your whatever you want to achieve in your life. You have to work over there. If you are a student and you want to achieve 80-90% marks, then it's not happen by your confident. It not just happen by your confident, but it's required your mind, your time, your effort, your practice, your everything. Then you will achieve those things. It's not just about confidence, it's not just about self-belief, it's all about your hard work, it's all about your struggle, it's all about your time, it's all about you. And the last but not the least, be a good person. When you good from your inner of heart, don't become good to showing someone. Be a good from inner of your heart. Like you have to feel like I'm a good person. I'm a good person. I don't want to destroy anybody. I don't jealous with anyone. I'm a good person. I'm just doing my own work. I'm just improving my self. Then you will very lucky person. Once you feel like this, nobody can stop you. You will busy with your own work, you will busy with your own thing, and you will achieve great results very soon. And this will help you to not entering the overconfident in your mind. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video gets some value, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video once again. Make sure you subscribe my channel. Bye bye.